Big news in the tech world. Telegram has just crossed 1 billion monthly active users. But that's not all. CEO Pavel Durov is making headlines for calling WhatsApp a cheap, watered-down imitation while dealing with a criminal investigation in France. So what exactly is happening with Telegram, WhatsApp, and Durov? Let's break it down. Pavel Durov, the founder and CEO of Telegram, just made a bold statement. Celebrating Telegram's major milestone of 1 billion monthly active users, he took a direct shot at WhatsApp, saying, "For years, they've desperately tried to copy our innovations while burning billions on lobbying and PR campaigns to slow us down. They failed. Telegram grew, became profitable, and unlike our competitor, retained its independence. And it's not just our user numbers. Telegram also reported a whopping $547 million in profits last year. But while Telegram's celebrating, its CEO has had a rough few months. In August 2024, Durov was arrested in France after stepping off his private jet from Azerbaijan. He was charged with multiple offenses related to Telegram's failure to moderate alleged criminal activity on the platform. French authorities accused Telegram of not doing enough to curb illegal content, including CSAM and other extreme material. He was placed under formal investigation, banned from leaving France, and released on bail. However, just recently, French prosecutors relaxed his travel restrictions, allowing him to return to Dubai until April 7th. Durov responded by saying, "The process is ongoing, but it feels great to be home. I want to thank the investigative judges, my lawyers, and my team for proving that Telegram has always met and even exceeded its legal obligations." Since Durov's arrest, Telegram has been making some major changes to improve its moderation practices. The company is now working with US authorities to provide user data, including IP addresses and phone numbers, as part of criminal investigations. Telegram has also joined the Internet Watch Foundation and built a dedicated moderation team to crack down on illegal activity on the platform. So what do you think? Is Telegram doing enough to clean up its platform? And is Durov right about WhatsApp just being a cheap imitation of Telegram? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.